Welcome to Mental Mathematics Week 3. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I thank you so much for helping participate in this event, and hopefully you're learning something that you'll be able to carry with you past Foundations of Math 1 or Foundations of Math 2. This week, our focus is going to be on subtraction, so we're going to take a look at subtraction by altering, subtraction into steps, and a check to see if you added or subtracted appropriately. So to subtract by altering, first we need to review some definitions. For example, if we have the problem 483 minus 291 equals 192, we have the minuend minus the subtrahend is the difference. So what we're going to do is change by adding or subtracting both the minuend and the subtrahend by the same amount in the same direction. Try to aim for a multiple of 10 for the subtrahend. So the second number, we want to aim for a multiple of 10. Then subtract. Let's give it a whirl. We have 86 minus 59. So step 1, 659 is close to 60, and we know 60 is a multiple of 10. We will add 1 to both 86 and 59. So our new problem will be 86 plus 1 minus 59 plus 1, or 87 minus 60, which we know is 27. So a little easier to do than having to carry and borrow in our head. Let's take 44 minus 28. Stop the video and practice this one using the same technique as before. First, we're going to take 28, and we know that it's close to 30, which is a multiple of 10. So we're going to add 2 to both 44 and 28. So our new problem will be 46 plus 2 minus 28 plus 2, or 48 minus 30, excuse the typo, and 48 minus 30 is 18. I'm sorry for the mistake there. It should be 18. Let's take 630 minus 485. Since 485 is close to 500, which we know is a multiple of 10, we'll add 15 to both 630 and 485. And our new problem will be 630 plus 15 minus 485 plus 15, or 645 minus 500, which is much more easy to subtract in our head. Our final answer being 145. Another subtraction technique. Now, you can use the same technique as we used before, by altering. I'm just going to show you a different technique, which is subtraction in 2 steps. Now, when you get to the homework problems that you'll be working on through test mods, you'll be able to use either way that you prefer. So it doesn't matter which technique you use, I'm just going to show you another way. So first we're going to subtract the tens digits. Then we're going to subtract the ones digits. In essence, we're working from left to right, which is way different in math. We're used to working from right to left, but this time we're going to work from left to right. So we have 70 minus 42. Ignore the 2 and think 70 minus 40, which is 30, the tens digits. Then we're going to subtract 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. We subtracted the ones digit. 120 minus 73. We're going to ignore the ones digit, so ignore the 3, and think to ourselves 120 minus 70 is 50, which is the tens digits. Now we need to subtract the 3 from the ones digit. We're going to take our answer from step 1, 50 minus 3 is 47, the ones digits. 93 minus 57. Stop the video and practice on your own. Step 1, ignore the 7 and think 93 minus 50, which is 43, the tens digits. Step 2, we're going to subtract the 7 that we ignored in step 1 from our answer in step 1. So 43 minus 7 is 36. We subtracted the ones digit. 137 minus 78. We're going to ignore the 8 and think to ourselves, 137 minus 70 equals 67. And if you're catching on, you should be noticing that we're always ignoring the digit in the subtrahend. So the second number we're subtracting, we're ignoring that one's digit. So we're ignoring the 8, and we're thinking 137 minus 70 is 67. We have subtracted the tens digit first. Step 2, we subtract the 8 that we ignored in step 1 from 67, the answer we had in step 1. And 67 minus 8 is 59. A little more complicated, but I think you can do it. So the final thing we're going to talk about today is check addition and subtraction. So operational terms to review. Let's see, we had 39 plus 22 equals 61. We have an addend plus an addend equals the sum. During this problem, we'll add the digits in each of the addends until we get to a single digit, then add those together and we'll find out. Sounds complicated, but I think you'll get the hang of it once we take a look. So let's say on the left we have 22 plus 14 equals 36. Step 1, we're going to add the digits in 22. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Step 2, add the digits in the second addend. 1 plus 4 is 5. Step 3, add the digits in the answer. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Step 4, add the two addends from the digits together. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And since the step 5, since step 3 and step 4 are equal to each other, so the 9's the blue there equal each other, our answer is most likely and probably correct. Okay, so let's look at this next problem. We have 86 plus 75 equals 151. So step 1, we're going to add the digits 8 plus 6, which is 14. Our goal is to get the ending result of sum of digits smaller than 10. So we'll need to add those digits again. So we'll add 1 plus 4, which is 5. Step 2, add the digits 7 plus 5, which is 12. Since that is greater than 10, we'll need to add those digits, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. Step 3, add the digits and the answer. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7. Step 4, add the 5 and the 3 from the addends digits addition. 5 plus 3 is 8. But since step 3 is definitely not equal to step 4, we know that 7 is not equal to 8. Our answer is definitely incorrect. Let's stop the video and practice 37 plus 16. Does that equal 53? Okay, so step 1, we add the digits of 37. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Since 10 is greater than or equal to itself, we'll add the digits again. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Step 2, add the digits of 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. Step 3, add the digits in the answer. 5 plus 3 is 8. Step 4, we add 1 plus 7, which is 8. Step 3 equals step 4. So our answer is most likely probably correct. Let's stop the video and practice 122 minus 56 equals 66 on your own. All right, step 1, add the digits in the first addend. 1 plus 2 is 5. Step 2, add the digits in 56. 5 plus 6 is 11, but then we need to add again the 11 since it's greater than or equal to 10. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Step 3, add the digits in the answer, 66. 6 plus 6 is 12. Then again, 12 is greater than or equal to 10. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Add 5 plus 2 from the addend equals 3. Since step 3 is not equal to step 4, our answer is definitely incorrect because 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 does not equal 3. So what comes next? Follow the link on our Wikispaces site to practice this week's problem through TestMoz. The password this week is Newton. You'll get instant feedback again, practice with your problems using the 3 techniques you just learned. Avoid using your calculator, complete the short essay. Again, your responses are important. Thank you so much for your clarification from last week. Email me any comments you may have. Good luck, and we will see you next week for week 4. Congratulations, you are halfway done.